different families, religious sector, NGOs, volunteer workers, the community, and most of all, the generous donors and sponsors who unselfishly share their time and blessings bestowed upon them by our Creator. If we should give a praiseworthy act that we have helped a strong society and a progressive community. Thank you very much and a happy Fiesta to all!
Salamat sa donation.
May dumangan ko ni Mio. Gahapon ko present, mga pinto mo.
Ay!
Pwede lang magdugangan.
Pwede naman gyapon. Better late than never man.